Hey, so we're about to get another hive of bees, and I just found out, I was out kind of mowing the grass around the current beehives, and I saw like a whole big mound of bees. So they've swarmed. The ones that I currently have swarmed, and I don't have a box to put them in. So I'm going to assemble a box right now. So this is from Bee Castle. I have already assembled a few of the pieces. I was going to do a video about that, but stuff happened. So I figured right now is a great time to do it. Let me just show it to you. So it's pretty straightforward. You've got these wall pieces, the front pieces, and this is how they tap together. You want to make sure to gently tap these dovetails together. Maybe a rubber mallet would be helpful, but seeing that the bees are out there on the ground, I got to do it kind of quick. So you just hope that these fit together really snug, which they do. There's your beehive. Now we will put some screws in here. Okay, so we've got the box assembled. Now we need to assemble the frames. So to assemble the frames, you'll need the parts, of course. You'll need some wood glue, some nails, and then the foundation stuff. So, okay, get the foundation. Just slides into this groove right here. And then this part of the frame. Alrighty, so I've gotten the frames put together. Now I'm just going to sit them down into this box. I don't have all 10 made. I'm trying to do this kind of in a hurry, but I've got 5 of them. So let me take this out and put it on the bees. Okay, so I've got walking out here to where the apiary is, and hopefully those bees are still where I left them on the ground. And also hopefully I can just put this box right on them and then have them go into it and make it their home. Let's see. There's a lot of bee activity out here. I was out here mowing. Boy, you can just hear the humming. Oh, look at that. The swarm is still there. I can't really see the queen. So there's a lot of bees down there. Put this that right on them. See all those bees in there? You put that right on them, and hopefully they just start crawling around in there, and then they make that their home. We'll have to find out. I think I'm going to put the lid on it. Looks like oh my goodness, look at that. They're crawling on that. Okay, so I think I've got this swarm. So I'm just going to put this lid on. I don't want to hurt any of the bees. Okay. We'll come back later on tonight. See if I've caught them. Wow, we might have 5 beehives here. It's incredible. First swarm ever caught. Let's see if it takes. But first swarm ever caught. That is so cool. That is so cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. If we've got a swarm working its way in there, I'll just leave them. In there are just bees crawling all in this grass here. So I don't want to mess with them. So I think I'll just leave this here for a few hours and see if they go in. I think they will, because that's a great house for them, and they're used to that kind of a house. But that means that I'm going to need to get some other beehive stuff, like another bottom box and a top plate for this hive, because I've got that other one that's supposedly coming tonight. So we'll just see. Thanks for joining Freedom Farms, catching bees. I haven't done a lot of episodes on our bees, but I do think that they're fascinating critters. They are just so cool because they, they're just hard workers. They're just non-stop working. Anyway, until later. Bye. Wow, that's an entrance. Wow, that's an entrance.